Good morning, students. Today we will continue our fourth lesson, that is the geometry construction and its basic construction, that is to construct a line parallel to given line passing through a given point outside the line. Then afterwards to construct the perpendicular bisector, to construct a triangle whose sides are given, to divide a given line segment into given number of equal parts, to divide a line segment in the given ratio, and to construct an angle congruent to the given angle. These basic construction we had seen before our unit test, and now we will move towards the next part of the lesson, and it is the main part of the lesson, and inside it the first part is the construction of similar triangles. Okay, so in the construction of similar triangle, whenever we are doing this, what we have to do, first of all we have to just take one questions which is given in our textbook only, and then we will draw, then you will understand that how to draw the triangle with similar triangle. So first of all we write the question: triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. In triangle ABC, AB equals to 5.4 centimeter. AB is measure how much given? 5.4 centimeter. BC is equals to 4.2 centimeter. AC is equals to 6 centimeter. And they gave us one ratio of the sides of the similar triangles, that is AB is to BC. AB is to BC is equals to 3:2. Right? Now we have and construct ABC and PQR, both they told us. Construct ABC, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So here it is the question. Now before solving the question, we have to draw the rough figure for this question. Now if you see here, triangle ABC and PQR, these two triangles are there and ratio of their sides are given. AB is to BC. AB is to BC and the ratio is 3:4, 3:2. So from this what we are understanding, which triangle is greater? ABC is bigger one and or PQR is bigger. Sorry, AB is to PQ is given here. My mistake. AB is to PQ. So here it is PQ. So AB and PQ's ratio given. So AB is to 3 and PQ R. From this what we are understanding, triangle ABC is bigger than triangle PQR because AB means 3 and PQ means 2. So that ratio given. So as per information we will draw the figure at first. Rough figure we are drawing at first. So here it is, triangle ABC is greater than triangle PQR, that we have to draw here. Which side is greater here? AC is greater. So we will draw AC side which is greater. This is our AC. AC, its measure is 6 centimeter. Then AC 6. Then here in that way we will do. BC is equal to how much go? 4.2, that we will take here. 4.2 given. Here it is A and here it is AC. It is bigger one. See here, AC is greater. BC's measure is BC is equal to 4.2 and AB is equals to 5.4 centimeter. Okay, same way we have to draw the PQR, and here similarity given. AB is to PQ, AB, BC and PQR. So AB and PQ, BC, QR and AC and PR, it is the ratio of their sides. So as per ratio, the figure is also same. So we have to draw the similar figure which is like ABC, but it is smaller than ABC. Okay. So I am going to draw here one figure. Actually it is rough figure, so it's not necessary to take the any kind of measurements for this figure. And here we will draw PQ. So here AB and PQ. So where is the position of A? Here we have to write the P, Q, and this is the R. So this is the rough figure. So whenever you are drawing the geometry, doing the geometric construction, rough figure is important because we are getting the idea of the construction from this. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we already knows the values of BC, AC and AB. Now we have to find out if you have to draw the same triangle, then it is important to know the PQR's measure. So to find the PQR measure, what we have to do? We will do here calculations. So here construct a triangle of given measure, triangle ABC of given measure. And as we know that triangle PQR ABC is similar to triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Yes, they are similar to each other. If they are similar to each other, therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. Their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, that I have taught you last year in our similarity lesson was there, in that I have to taught you. So we will write here their correspondence. So here first of all AB and PQ. So here how it will come? AB upon PQ equals to second and third, BC upon QR. BC upon QR. And then first and third and first and third, AC upon PR. So here it is, it's a ratio. Okay. Now we know the values of A, B, C, means AB, BC and AC. This value we know and its ratio also we know. So here what we have to do? We have to put the values of AB, BC and AC in this. So here its ratio is equals to how much given? AB upon PQ. If AB upon PQ is equals to 3 by 2, here we will write in this way. But AB upon PQ is equals to 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. Therefore, here we have to write. Therefore, otherwise we write here. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Okay, suppose this is our first statement and that is our second statement. So from this we are what we are understanding, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. But AB upon PQ is equal to what is its ratio? 3 by 2. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR is equals to how much? 3 upon 2. Right. Now we will put its measure and find the values of remaining side. So here we will take AB. AB's measure is how much? 5.4. 5.4 upon PQ. Next is equal to BC's measure is 4.2. So 4.2 upon QR we don't know. We have to write it as it is upon QR. Next AC. AC's measure is 4.2 equals to AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So 6 upon PR and is equal to 3 by 2. Now what we have to do here, we have to take the measures, one ratio and this ratio. One of the ratio from this and 3:2. Then we will get the values. For example, I will tell you 5 upon 4. First we are finding the PQ. 5 by 4 upon PQ equals to 3 upon 2. Right? So here is equals to how we will get it here? Therefore equal to not. Therefore, PQ is equals to, PQ is equal to, how we will get this? PQ, it will come here for multiplication, 2 it will goes here for multiplication, and 3 will come here for divide. Okay, so PQ is equals to 5.4, this 5.4, this 2 will come here for the multiplication into 2, and this 3 will come here for divide, and PQ will come here for multiplication, divided by 3 is equals to, how, if you divide this, you will get its answer. 3 ones are 3, here it is 3 ones are 3, remains 2, 1 point, and 3 8s are 18, 3 8s are 24, so 18 2s are 36. Okay, so here point, because 1.8 is there, that's why here 3.6 centimeter. Second, we have to find out this QR. So here take 4.2 upon QR equals to 3 upon 2. So therefore here write it, just QR is equals to, QR equals to, same way 4.2 into 2 and upon 3. If you do this division and multiplication, 3 ones are 3, 1 remain, point give, 3 4s are 12, 14 2s are 28. So answer is 2.8 centimeter. Right, now lastly we have to find out the value of PR. So here 6 upon PR, 6 upon PR equals to 3 upon 2 is equal to PR equals to, 2 will come here for multiplication. So 6 into 2 upon 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 2 2s are 4 centimeter. Okay, now this we find the measures of PQ, QR and PR. So we will write here, therefore PQ is equals to 3.6 centimeter, QR is equals to 2.8 centimeter, and PR equals to 4 centimeter, equals to 4 centimeter. Now we have to do the construction of a triangles of the given measure. So for that we have to take the scale. First we will draw the ABC triangle. So what is the measure of ABC? If you see here, ABC insides, AB is equals to, AB is equal to how much given? 5.4. So first of all we will draw the, as per figure we will draw the here base at first, which is the base at first, and measure of base is the BC is equals to BC is equal to 4.2. So we will take here 4.2 measure. Can you see? So here it is 4.2. Mine it is 4.2 is here. So here it is my BC 4.2. Okay, the BC is equal to 4.2. Now AB's measure is equal to how much given here? AB is equals to 5.4. So take a scale and take a 5.4 distance in your compass. So take 5.4 distance in your compass. Yes. And now draw the BC. Means we have AB is equal to 5.4. So B, we have to put this compass metal point on this and draw this. Okay. Now here it is our AB 5.4. Now AC you have to take how much? 6 centimeter. How much? 6 centimeter. So here I will take 6 centimeter. Now I have taken this distance of 6 centimeter in my compass. Okay, and I have drawn the arc which intersect the first arc in this point A. Now join this AB and AC. Now here it is my triangle ABC. Okay, now what we have to do here, Now we have to construct triangle which the PQR. So first of all, BC is equal, here I will write the measure AB is equal, after taking distance of AC is equal to 6 centimeter, you have to draw the arc which intersect the first arc. Now we will draw the QR. Now we will draw triangle PQR from the measures, that is PQ is equal to 3.6, QR is equal to 2.8 and PR is equal to 4 centimeter. So first of all, here we will draw QR. This we will draw, and measure of QR is equal to 2.8. So you have to take 2 and this is 2.8. This is Q and that point is R. Now PQ distance we have to take in our compass, and PQ is equal to how much it is there, 3.6. So take distance of 3.6 in your compass. Okay, and draw the arc, and at last we have to take PR is equal to 4 centimeter. So here it is PR, its measure is 4 centimeter, and draw the arc to intersect the first arc. Okay, and now join the PQ and PR. In this way we have to draw the triangles which are similar to the given triangle. So here we see, today we seen the construction of a similar triangles. It is the first example from our construction of triangles, and next part of the lesson we will see tomorrow. So today all of you complete this. Okay, thank you and have a good day.